Claude is the smartest AI model in the world right now. But only using Claude is still a stupid idea, especially when you need to make critical business decisions. When you need accurate data. When missing one important piece of information means losing sales. But here is the thing, every AI model thinks differently. Every model has different blind spots. And the one angle Claude misses could be your most expensive miss for the month. The smart move is running your most important prompts across multiple AI models at once. The problem? Copying and pasting your prompt across 20 different AI tools, waiting for each answer, then analyzing all different outputs. It's a complete nightmare. Today I'm showing you the tool that fixes this. It runs multiple models on every important prompt automatically, combines the best output from all of them, works directly inside Claude, ChatGPT or any other AI chat tool without changing anything about how you work. The tool is called Cuey.io. It's a Chrome extension you can add with one click on Add to Chrome. And from that moment, a small icon appears automatically inside Claude, inside ChatGPT here, Gemini, Grok, Cuey, and many other AI tools you may already use. You just type your prompt as normal. Nothing changes about how you use these AI chat bots. And then you send the prompt, and then Cuey quietly runs your prompt across different models and then combines everything into an optimized answer. And you see here, it found an enhanced answer, click view. And if you wanted to, you could even pick the models first before you run your prompt, so you can compare the output across different models, or let Cuey just automatically pick those models for you. This is Cuey's AutoMode. It only speaks when it really finds a better response compared to what your active AI chat model found. If it realizes all the other models agree or don't have a better response, it stays silent. So it's not constantly interrupting you, only when it actually matters. Let me show you exactly how this works with 3 real examples for my business. Before we start, let me actually sign in to my Cuey account to unlock all the features. And by the way, you can get 60 days of Cuey Pure for free if you go to Cuey.io and use this code Fabian60 on the checkout. Now I also want to make sure to pin this to my browser here, because now I can see it. So I can click it and open my account. Good. I want to open a new chat, and I'm going to ask Claude to analyze my YouTube video performance based on the last videos I have posted and tell me what should be the next video topic and title to get the most views. So let me make a space here, and now I will just grab the videos from my channel from the last few months and the view count, paste it in here and click send. It has run, and here I see this is only the Claude response. It has found this pattern to be, at least at the moment, the most successful ones, and it suggested new titles. I should pick these titles. And also here you see it says Cuey found a better answer. Click to view and see details. Now I can scroll through it, and it even gives me a strategic insight from a 90-day goal. My recommended videos is Claude, Cowork and Twitter, 100% automated, or alternative is Reddit. Now this is similar to what Claude has found, but if I go to analysis, I will see Gemini actually provided the most comprehensive analysis by connecting YouTube data directly to the business goals. Now, this is really crucial, and this is another feature that Cuey has, because it has a memory and it knows what my goals are. So here's a memory, and I can set it up by just clicking this button, which I will show you later in the video, where it then pulls out the information I have in ChatGPT, all the memory it has about me and my business, and then it uses that as a context across all these different models. Now, if I wanted to, I could also say, okay, I want to run this again, but this time I want to pick the models. So I could say, I go to Pro, I want to use GPT-5, I want to have maybe this model as well, or even DeepSeek, so try a bunch of other models, and then click Start Comparing. Then it will run again and analyze now my YouTube data with these other models, and then I can see which get me the best response. Now I see it has run again across those new models, and I get a little bit of extra data. You see it suggests new video ideas that Claude hasn't covered yet. Claude has only covered, told me I should make a video about X and Reddit, but here I see another one. LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Apollo, that's like a lead generation tool, Google Maps version 2, Instagram version 2, and it even gives me a structure for my videos. So this is just one result, right? So I can go to the next one. What does Cuey say about my YouTube data? Okay, it sees this one. What video does it suggest for me? We see here, double down on the winning formula. Okay, a monetization gap. You're giving away automation templates and support for free. Your highest performing video is 10K views, etc. Good. Now we have Cuey here. Then I have DeepSeek also here, and then I can click on Analyze. And then it tells me across all these models, my best topic is a LinkedIn version 2 and Apollo, this lead gen platform. This would match my audience better and give me a higher chance of getting more views and also sales. So it's a little bit different than what Claude alone found me. Now, the next use case is something every solopreneur does constantly. So it's writing subject lines. I need high converting subject lines for my emails. So I'm gonna paste this prompt in here, write 10 high converting and clickable email subject lines for this email. Keep the subject lines less than 60 characters, maximum of 7 to 9 words. Don't use periods. So these are the minimum requirements I need to have high converting subject lines. I'm just gonna grab one of my emails and paste it in here, and then I just send it. Now this is something that I used to do, right? Whenever I needed an email, then I had to paste it across different tools, and now I can just click view, and it gives me my enhanced answer because it ran it across Gemini, Grok, and OpenAI. Let's see. I like this. So here I see even Claude didn't consider my requirement. I said no period. So period is like this dot here. This is a period, and but it did that. I don't like this in subject lines, so it did it on a few occasions. I don't like that, but here, the enhanced answer, it doesn't have that. So this, I would consider these subject lines, even see that they are shorter. I like them more. So yeah, are you next on the spreadsheet? We've already hit sure, and so on. If I want to generate new subject lines across different models, I can just click on the plus sign. I want to have GPT-5, maybe Cuey and DeepSeek, or I can go to the Pro, select different versions here, but I like these really, and then I run it again. Good, and now I have my next batch of subject lines. And yeah, I really like this here, DeepSeek, and so on, and I can get my optimized version by clicking here on melded answer, and then it picks me the best one across all those three, and then I can just pick the one I like the most. Perfect, and even get a recommendation. Really, really good. And then I can just use the best subject lines across my emails. Now, the last use case that one directly affects the revenue. So let me open a new chat. I could continue in this chat, but I like to keep it clean. And what I want to do is this. I want to analyze my current pricing strategy of my AI template subscription, so of my offer, and tell me what needs to change to make more sales and make more money per sale. So here I want to insert my pricing table. So I go to my sales page and to my pricing table, and I just grab this from here, copy that, and paste it in here, and then click send. It has run. Let's check the result of the other models. Okay, now it's giving me my enhanced answer. What does Claude say? It says rename quarterly to monthly, sell at 29, restructure a lifetime deal. And here I see, yeah, it does give me eliminate the annual deal. Now I see this doesn't really do that or mention that. So it picked up a new strategy that Claude alone hasn't mentioned. And reframe the lifetime deal, shift from library to outcome. I don't really see that in here. So I even get strategies, not just on adjusting my pricing, but on improving my offer to make more sales. Okay, this is just the enhanced answer across these. Now I can run it again, right? So go down, I click on plus, use my models here and click start comparing. So I really get all the ideas, all possible ways to improve this pricing tactic, my offer, so I have the best chances at making more sales and more revenue from it. So I can see then across those different models, they're running all in parallel. And I don't really need to check each one out. So once they are finished, I will just go to the bottom and click. Now they are finished. Now I don't need to read through every single one. I just click on Analyze and make my life easier. And then Cuey just combines the best outputs across all these models for me. And then I have that here, right? I have a clear list of tactics that even suggests a done with you offer. And this is something I don't see Claude has given me. No, I don't see that here. Cuey is most valuable where there is no single correct answer. Pricing decisions, content strategy, business advice, anything where better thinking affects your results. Where it matters less, coding tasks or anything with one clear correct answer. Cuey stays silent in those cases anyway because all these models agree. They also have a built-in prompt library which you can open by clicking on this button and then switch to library. It's organized by topic. You have business strategy, you have data analysis, education, productivity, tools, financial analysis, and you can then just pick one, and here you can type your input the year. So in this case it says input the year, and then input the language, and then you just click Ask Claude, and then it will automatically insert it in here and run the prompt. This saves a lot of time. Another important feature in Cuey I want to show you. So let's click on this icon here of Cuey, and there I get to my personal center. And there I want to click on memory because that's a problem Cuey solves that anyone using multiple AI tools recognizes. Because if every time you switch from Claude to ChatGPT or other tool, you have to start over. So the new model doesn't really know anything about you from its own memory, like your business, your audience, your preferences, personal details about you that's important. Now Cuey lets you import the memory from ChatGPT into it, and then any model can access this memory. For every prompt you paste, all you have to do is click on Personalized Memory with Cuey, and it will automatically run and import your memory into Cuey. You see here, I'm not doing anything. It's running fully automatic. It loads the memory from ChatGPT. Now I see it has been saved successfully into my account, and this is where this usually appears. And this will inject this context into any model you use. So every model already knows who you are, what you're working on, what's important to you, and you're not always starting from scratch and need to tell every model about your business, your life, your preferences. Now this currently only works with ChatGPT, but more models are going to be added soon. So you can add memory from other models as well. A quick note on privacy, because you're pasting real business information into this tool and it runs across other model. Now Cuey does not store your prompts on their servers, and it does not use them for training, and it does not track your browsing. Your data stays encrypted on your device, and you find the full details of Cuey's privacy under this tab here on their website. The pricing on Cuey is simple. The free plan gives you access to every single model from day one. So they say they have right now 30 plus models included, AI models. You can check out some of them when you click here on the models. You do not need to pay to unlock all these models, so you only can upgrade when you need more comparisons per week or month. Now Cuey is still in early access. So pricing is still a bargain right now, so it's worth getting in now before the pricing changes. And when you put in the code Fabian60, you get 60 days of Cuey Pro for free. My honest take, if you use AI for simple tasks, writing a caption, quick questions, generating a list, Cuey will most likely stay silent because models agree on simple stuff and there is nothing extra to show to you. But if you use AI for decisions and tasks that actually matter and affect your business, your content strategy, your pricing, your offers, your outreach, this is where it pays for itself immediately. The extra video ideas and tactics I got from the first use case I showed you could mean my next videos gets 10,000 views or more instead of just a few hundred. The tactics on pricing and restructuring my offer could be worth thousands in extra revenue each month. All from one extra layer on top of what I'm already doing. So go to Cuey.io, try their pro plan, click on subscribe and then enter the code Fabian 60. If you want 60 days of the Pro version for free. You find this code and the link in the description below this video. Use it on your next important prompt. That's all it takes.